Hi, my name is Noshi. I have secured All India Rank 9 in UPSC CSE 2023 examination. I am here in Jamia RCA since November 2021, and this institute has provided me a lot of guidance in terms of the peer groups that are available here. I used to write answers and make notes with them. And also the already selected toppers that are here, they have guided me in each and every step, and this has and the ecosystem that has been provided has really helped me, and this is the reason why I have secured such a rank. One reason that I can think of is the serious aspirants that are here. At all of the places that are famous for coaching, usually have both serious and non-serious candidates, but here you find majority of serious candidates and also the real cream from whole of the country. So this is what make this place very special. For cracking Jamia RCA's examination, the entrance examination that happens, I think they have MCQ part and essay part. So for MCQs, if you are thorough with your basic books and the current affairs, it would not be a major hurdle for you to clear this exam. And for the essay, you can practice some of the previous year questions and complete and try to practice it in time frame, whatever the time it has been allotted.
Hello, I'm Suresh. I come from city called Nagpur from Maharashtra state. I'm in RCA since past 2 years. And recently I appeared for UPSC interview as well on the 20th of Feb.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Adil Mohsin. This year I got 157th rank in UPSC, and I have lived in RCA for my preparation, and I have this success that I have achieved is in a large part a product of RCA, a result of being in RCA. And in my journey, RCA has played a very important role. And personally, I believe that if RCA was not there, I might not have cleared this examination.
For 1.5 years, I prepared at home only. But a friend of mine in Delhi suggested me it is better to go to Jamia Millia University's RCA. For the very basic reason that the RCA Jamia provides you the kind of environment, the conducive environment which you require for preparation. And at the same time, there is the core competency of RCA lies in the peer learning, which is the best part about RCA. And I think that has helped me a lot. And this is something everyone should aspire for.
So I also want this for all of you, that you can come to RCA, you can use its resources, not only the infrastructure but also the people that live here, their experiences, you can learn from them. RCA का सिलेबस इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन. जो प्रीलिम्स का सिलेबस है वही यहाँ के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसका सिलेबस है वेरी सिमिलर. तो जो आप यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वही यहाँ के एंट्रेंस के लिए भी सफिशिएंट है. एट द सेम टाइम इसमें एसए का भी पेपर होता है. एसए के लिए भी आपको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, जो कि बहुत बेसिक है. आप बेसिक ठीक ठाक लेवल की प्रिपरेशन से एसए दे सकते हैं, और विच इज़ फॉलोड बाय इंटरव्यू वाला फेज़. तो एक तरीके से जो यूपीएससी का प्रोसेस है उसको एम्यूलेट करने की कोशिश करी गई है, objective, written, subjective and interview.
So I have been in another RCA as well, in Delhi only for a few months. But the stark difference between Jamia RCA and other RCA is that the degree of level of understanding of students, the kind of students we have in RCA is, I can surely say it's a cream among the aspirants. 99.99% aspirants in RCA are serious candidates. They are not something who are targeting n number of exam, and UPSC is one of them. Their primary target, the plan A is UPSC exam, so they are very much focused. So in that way, the peer learning becomes the best part, since you know that you are with the serious candidate, those who have commitment, those who are dedicated. So there is no way of deviation from your track in UPSC preparation.
तो आप ये सब इसकी तैयारी कर सकते हैं आप. और जो स्टैटिक पोर्शन है सिविल सर्विसेज के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, आपका मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री हो गया, पॉलिटी हो गया, इकोनॉमी हो गया, एनवायरनमेंट हो गया, वो सारे जो आप यूपीएससी के लिए पढ़ रहे होंगे वही चीज़ यहाँ भी पूछी जाएगी. जो चीज़ें आप अपने एसए के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे वही चीज़ें यहाँ पूछी जाएगी आपसे. तो वो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. एंड आई वुड अर्ज ऑल ऑफ़ यू कि आप यहाँ का फॉर्म भरें और अच्छे से तैयारी करें, यहाँ का एग्ज़ाम दें और यहाँ का फ़ायदा उठाएं.
So as far as getting admission into RCA, Jamia RCA, first thing first, you should not see Jamia RCA entrance as separate from UPSC exam. If you are preparing for UPSC prelims, that should be your motto for clearing the prelims, because once you clear prelims, you get admission in RCA based on your prelims result. That is first. Second, if you separately prepare for RCA entrance, even that is going to get you admission here. But to see it separately from UPSC exam would be detrimental step. It's better you align your preparation of UPSC prelims with RCA entrance, and when you are solely going for this exam, you can see the past year few papers of this exam, and then you can strategize for 1 month. But if you are thinking that for 6 months I am preparing for RCA entrance, that is not something going to help. In long term, it is better to prepare for UPSC exam, because after clearing RCA entrance, you have to appear for interview. So in interview, you need that holistic understanding of topics, which cannot come from objective test. You must have understanding of essay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, your optional. Why do you want to prepare UPSC civil services? So broader perspective is needed. That will only come when you are actually dedicatedly preparing for UPSC exam rather than entrance exam for any RCA. If you are aware of this UPSC syllabus, then you must know when GS 1, 2, 3, 4 syllabus, then you must know there is diversity in syllabus. So try to align your essay with the syllabus part only. So in GS1 you have history wala portion, in GS2 you have polity wala portion, in GS3 you have economy wala portion, in GS4 you have ethics wala portion. So there are these 4 broad dimensions you have in your syllabus. So try to write an essay having these components. If you have these in your essay automatically gets diverse perspective, and that is something any evaluator will look for. I wish all the very best luck to every individual who is in this journey, at the same time who is going to appear for the entrance exam of RCA entrance. Thank you.